What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the camera shutter lag issue in your Xiaomi phone. So to fix this issue, first of all open camera. Now in camera, tap on this drop down arrow to open this menu, and from here tap on this settings icon. Now scroll down to the end and tap on restore default settings option, and then from the pop-up tap on OK to confirm. And after resetting the camera settings back to default, the shutter lag issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue after resetting the settings, then tap and hold on the camera app, tap on this information icon, and then go to the storage of camera. Now clear this cache memory of camera app. So to clear this, tap on this clear data option, and from here select clear cache. Now tap on OK to confirm, and after that the cache memory will be cleared. And after clearing the cache memory, the camera shutter lag issue will be fixed. So that's how you can fix the camera shutter lag issue in your Xiaomi phone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.